Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mailbird. Users needn't look far for a Windows Live Mail app replacement, as Mailbird is the ideal software for them to switch to. It works with your current version of Windows. It's compatible with all your email accounts.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Windows Mail is the mail client program that is included with and part of Windows Vista. Windows Live Mail is a program available for free download. It is a mail client, calendar application, contacts manager, feed aggregator and news reader all in one program.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Mail app is simpler but less powerful than Windows Live Mail. It has limited options for sorting emails, and it cannot send emails to groups. Outlook is far more powerful than Windows Live Mail and has more advanced features for emails, contacts, calendars and to-do lists.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Windows Live Mail is a desktop email program Microsoft introduced to replace Outlook Express. However, Microsoft is moving all its own email services, Office 365 Hotmail, Live Mail, MSN Mail, Outlook.com etc., to a single codebase at Outlook.com.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Windows 10 comes with a built-in mail app, from which you can access all your different email accounts including Outlook.com, Gmail, Yahoo, and others in one single, centralized interface. With it, there's no need to go to different websites or apps for your email.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.